The moisture content on the sugar looks good, but double-check the seal. We need to maintain the current bricks level precisely. Adjust the flow rate slightly.
Yes, understood.
The code on this one looks good.
Yeah, print quality is consistent today.
Cuidado con ese pallet.
Aquí cabe uno más.
Apúrense, que ya viene el siguiente.
Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, steady now.
We need to get the final count before it seals.
Here are the manifests for Route 7. Make sure the seal numbers match.
Got it, got it. Do I sign here on the tablet?
We're up 5% for yesterday.
The bottleneck at Station 4 is cleared now.
Yes, the adjustments help stabilize the flow. All right, let's keep that momentum going.
As the golden hour descends, the workday concludes at the factory, a seamless blend of industry and the natural landscape.